Now let's talk about adding your client contacts. Whether your clients are going to be activated in the system, meaning they are going to have their own login to access the information that you want to share with them, you still want to be able to share information out of the system with them. So making sure that you add the primary contact for any project to your client contacts list before you start working will ensure that you'll be able to do work smoothly without running into friction down the line. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's start with our client contacts. And as you can see, I already have a couple of contacts already included here, but let's just add one together. I'll click Add Contact, and it's just going to ask me for the very basic, information that I'm going to need to, again, share information outside of the system with this person. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my client's name and email and phone number. And now I'm just going to add their billing address. Lastly, I can add any notes that I want to associate with this client contact. And then I'll just click Add Client. And that's it. Now I have my client added. That way, when I go to share information outside of the system and I am prompted to choose a client to send to, I will have this to pull from. Okay, now let's move on.